Today I'm going to talk about color coding, why it's amazing for ADHD to make organization easier. I'm going to tell you about the process and then I'll tell you about the different colors, what they mean, and also what color coding can be used for within your home, your life, and your schedule. Now, the process of color coding is pretty simple. You decide on what you want to organize, then you decide on categories that you are going to use for color coding, then you're going to pick colors for that category, and then you're going to find some way to keep those things together, whether it's a container or a file folder or whatever. You just want some way to keep them together in the different color categories that you have decided. Now, there is a process, but what colors are you supposed to pick or use for these different things? And what are the actual uses of this whole thing of color coding? First, let's go over the colors. So here are a list of colors and what they mean. Red, urgent. Gold, orange, luxury, wealth, long-term projects. Yellow, important task. Green, finances. Makes sense because green represents money. Blue represents focus and intelligence. So if you have to do something that requires brainstorming, use blue. Purple represents creativity. So if you have a creative task or something that requires creativity, use purple. White represents cleanliness. So if you're going to do cleaning tasks or anything like that, then you want to use white. Unless you're writing on a white surface, then try to find another color. Black, formal events, anything really formal, then you use black. Now here are some of the things that you can use color coding for. One, filing stuff. You can have different folders of different colors inside a filing cabinet, and then you can look at the folders and automatically know what's in that file folder. Two, you can have different colors as you're taking notes. And so you put the little tabs on the side of the notebook if you ever seen those. And what you do is you have different colors for different things that you're taking notes on. So it makes it much easier to look back and say, oh, this is about finance. Oh, this is a brainstorming activity we did in a meeting, or whether you're studying for college or whatever, you can use this method. Another thing that you can use it for is going to be if you have a calendar and you want to denote certain things on the calendar. So you want to denote a formal event that you're having to go to, or you want to denote, hey, this is when this bill is due, and this is when I have to pay for my vacation, or whatever you want to have on there. Or you can say, hey, I've got this thing that's really urgent. I'm going to put it in red. And the other thing you can do, you can give each family member a color, and you can use it on your calendar. Or if you have to just leave a note for somebody, you can say, hey, this is for Susie. This is for Joe. This is for Annie. This is for me. This is for my spouse. You can figure out what activity is attached to who. So it makes it much easier to look at something and say, okay, this is attached to that person. You can also use this when you have keys. You can put different things around your keys in different colors, and then you automatically know this is the green key that goes to this thing dealing with finances. This is the red key that goes to this really important place, and I need to make sure I have this key. The other thing about having things on keys or different colors is you can automatically see that thing once you look at it and say, hey, that's my red key over there, or that's my blue key, or that's my green key. Whatever it is, you'll be able to see the keys better if they have some sort of color on them. You can also use them for books. If you have different categories of books that you read, you can color code them as that. If you have books that are all the same color, you can all put them in the same place because they're all the same color. They're all green, they're all red, they're all blue, they're all white, whatever. You put them in the bookshelf that way. So as you can see, color coding can be used for so many things. And the great thing about it is maybe you lost something. Maybe you forgot something. Maybe you're like, where is that thing? If you have things color coded, then you automatically know, hey, I can go look here first because that thing may be here, and you know which folder or place it's in because you know what the color is that you put into that category. So what do you think about all this? What do you think about color coding? Do you like it? Have you tried it? Has it been beneficial to you? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, if you want to know more about decluttering in general, then go ahead and click this decluttering playlist here, and you can see all my decluttering videos. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later.